Hello friends, today in this video we are gonna talk about courage. Courage is a noble quality which enables us to achieve what ordinary people cannot achieve. It removes fear and doubt from our mind and fills it with confidence. Courage enables us to defeat enemies, conquer mountain peaks, cross seas and oceans, explore new lands and space, and helps us to save our fellow beings from dangerous situations. Courage is needed for soldiers to guard the borders of countries and police and other defense personnel to fight against antisocial elements. Courage is needed to speak truth, to keep away from temptations and evils, to follow the path of virtue, to pursue one's own goal in life, and to fight against the injustices prevailing in our society. At the same time, we have to remember that courage alone will not help us to win our goals. We have to use it intelligently. Let us use our courage wisely for the benefit of ourselves and our society. The wise use of courage will make us heroes and heroines who will always be remembered. So be always courageous. That's all for today in this video. Thank you so much for watching.